Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage high performance mode. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Battery section. Now tap on Advanced Settings and click on the gray switcher next to High Performance Mode in order to activate it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. But you can always turn it off by tapping on the same, now green switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!